Arganoil has become one of the most prized oils in the world due to its extensive use in the cosmetics industry as well as in food. Both the production and the price of arganoil has increased over the recent years, which has made it susceptible to adulteration with cheaper oils. Argan oil is most frequently adulterated with sunflower oil, which is primarily due to its relatively similar fatty acid composition. Headspace gas chromatography and mobility spectrometry is a nuclear technique used for the rapid analysis of volatile organic compounds in food and other matrices. The screening technique will be demonstrated here following the method protocol developed at the IAEA Food and Environmental Protection Laboratory. To start the experiment, prepare a pooled sample by taking an aliquot volume of 700 microliters from each of the 10 vials containing different authentic argan oil samples to collect a total volume of 7 milliliters. Afterwards, vortex the vial to obtain a homogeneous mixture. Perform the same pooling steps for sunflower oil samples, but here take 400 microliters of each sample to obtain a total volume of 4 milliliters. Vortex the resulting mixture to mix it. From the pooled argan oil sample, transfer into each empty headspace vial an aliquot volume of 950 microliters, 900, 800, 700, 600, and 500 microliters respectively. Add the adulterant into each vial using an aliquot volume of 50 microliters, 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500 microliters respectively. Cap each vial and close it using a crimper. Vortex all vials containing the newly prepared adulterated samples. Transfer an aliquot volume of 1 ml from each of the 10 argan oil vials into 10 individual empty headspace vials. Similarly, transfer the same volume of the pooled argan oil into another empty vial. Cap and close all the vials using a crimper. Repeat the same steps for each of the sunflower oil samples and for the pooled sunflower oil. Now, prepare independent authentic argan oil samples that will be used for the validation of the chemometrics model. Select at random any 2 authentic argan oils that have not been used in the previous steps. Pipette 1 ml of each oil into new headspace vials. Prepare also an authentic sunflower oil sample. Cap and close all the vials using a crimper. For independent adulterated samples, prepare separately 2%, 15%, and 25% sunflower in argan oil. Take from any argan bottle an aliquot volume of 980 microliters, 850, and 750 microliters into individual empty headspace vials. Then add sunflower oil at 20 microliters, 150, and 250 microliters respectively. Cap the vials and agitate them for a few seconds using a vortex mixer. We now have all samples ready for the GCA headspace IMS analysis. We have got here 10 individual Arganoil samples plus a pooled sample. And similarly, we have 10 individual sunflower oil samples which we pooled and used for the adulteration of the argan oil samples. We also have 6 authentic oil samples taken from another source to be used later for the validation of the chemometrics model that we'll create after processing the measurement data. See you later in part 2 of this laboratory exercise.